and welcome back to Tip of the Week. This week we're broadcasting from Sebring. This is the start, the first day, setup day in Sebring, Florida of the LSA Expo. You can probably hear some race cars in the background as this is the home of the Sebring racetrack. Well, we're going to do all airplanes, experimental airplanes, not race cars. But take a look at your maps of Florida and you can see exactly we're kind of in the middle of the state. They have a campground here with a few dozen places to hook up. So we have our unit here and we're going to spend the next several days looking for the best of the Sebring LSA Expo and get some good tips in there somewhere.
I'm glad I asked that question. That's one thing I was thinking. Yeah, so if you
Okay. So you ready? Here's what's nice about this bike. When you get to your destination, just fold it right up and go right into the restaurant. If you need to fold it down a little bit more to stow in your plane or your car, RV, pop the seat off. 10 miles, 15 miles an hour, less than 2 hours to recharge. Smallest folding bike you can get with this performance.
And where do they go for more information?
They can go to brilliantdistributors.com. It's called a Jupiter bike.
And can you undo it now?
I sure can. So we come out of the restaurant, it's time, we just charged it up in there because we could carry it in. We don't have to leave it out in the weather with the other bikes. All set to go.
One benefit of going to this air show was that you could attend a workshop. Here we have a Zenith rudder workshop where you can construct a rudder under the guidance of factory personnel and get an excellent feel for what it's like to build the rest of the aircraft. In another workshop held by Stewart Systems, you can learn fabric covering for your aircraft.
Yeah, that's a fun camera. Actually, just watching it turn away.
A large area of the grounds was set aside for drones. There was a drone competition in progress. Notice the eyewear and the controllers of the pilots. And you can see and listen for the buzzing drones around their obstacle course. So the tip of the week is to consider the effort to make it to one of these air shows, because there you can find out about all sorts of aircraft, meet other builders, and talk to the factory representatives and just learn more about all of this airplane stuff. And I almost forgot, everyone, back to building.